Have you noticed more homes popping up on the market lately? Or maybe you've seen listings sitting on the market a little bit longer before they sell? Well, you are not imagining it. This month's housing data reveals some interesting trends that show where the real estate market is heading as we move deeper into the fall. Let's take a look at what's happening nationally and right here in the local Greater Greenville real estate market. Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. My team and I, we help people build generational wealth by being their advisor and guiding them as they purchase their dream home and sell at the highest price. And we would love to help you too. Nationally, existing home sales were virtually unchanged from the previous month, dipping just 0.2% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4 million units, according to the National Association of Realtors. Now, it's worth noting that most of these transactions went under contract during June and July, when mortgage rates were roughly 40 to 50 basis points higher than they are in today's market. That means we're still seeing the impact of earlier rate levels reflected in the current sales data. Now, compared to this time last year, national sales are up 1.8%. The Midwest continues to show the strongest activity, likely because the typical home price there is about 22% below the national median price, making it one of the more affordable regions for buyers right now. On the supply side, total housing inventory nationwide declined by 1.3% this month, the first monthly drop that we've seen in 2025, bringing inventory to 1.53 million units, or about 4.6 months supply of inventory at the current sales pace. Now, despite that small monthly dip, overall inventory is still 11.7% higher than this time last year, which means there are still more homes available compared to 2024. When it comes to pricing, the national median existing home price rose 2% year over year to $422,600. Month over month, prices remained mostly flat, suggesting that while home values are holding strong, we're not seeing the rapid price increases that defined the previous years. Now, let's zoom in on what's happening right here in the Greater Greenville, South Carolina market. New listings rose sharply this month, up 22.8% to 2,301 homes. That's one of the most significant increases that we've seen all year, and that suggests that more homeowners are feeling confident enough to list their properties right now. Pending sales, however, moved to the opposite direction, down 27.5% to 879 homes. This drop tells us that while there are more homes available, buyer activity has slowed somewhat, possibly due to the affordability challenges or the seasonal hesitation as we head into the end of the year. The inventory continues to grow, climbing 40.8% to 6,516 homes. That's a big jump, and it's helping to ease some of the competition among the buyers right now. Now, prices are still edging upwards, with median sales price rising 3.5% to $319,919. Even with more supply on the market, demand remains strong enough to keep prices from falling. Homes are also taking a bit longer to sell. The average days on the market increased 10.2% to 54 days on the market, meaning properties are still staying active for almost 2 months on the average before going under contract. And perhaps one of the most important metrics, the absorption rate, rose 35.3% to 4.6 months supply of inventory. This puts us much closer to a balanced market where neither buyers nor sellers have a significant advantage. So, what does all this mean? We're seeing a market that's gradually balancing out. Buyers have more choices and a bit more negotiating room, while sellers still benefit from relatively strong home values. If mortgage rates continue to stabilize or trend slightly lower, that could encourage more activity from both sides of the market heading into the next few months. Now, if you're thinking about buying or selling, this is a great time to evaluate your options with up-to-date local data. Feel free to reach out for a personalized market analysis or to discuss how these trends could impact your plans. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. Whether you're looking to move in the next 10 days or in the next 100 days, go ahead and reach out to us. We'd love to help you avoid costly mistakes and make a smooth move right here in the Greater Greenville, upstate South Carolina area. Have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.